file of code here. Let this be there, no problem. Okay, no problem. And now notice, my friends, notice one small change I will make to this. I would just tell from a date time module, please import date time. And here I would just tell date time dot now. Observe what I do. I would just tell date time like this. I would just say, or this will give us the server time, correct? Please carefully watch what I would do now. Here I will tell based on the time, whatever you get based on the time means hour format time, you should wish them with a message. If it is less than 10 or less than 12, good morning. From 12 to 16, it is afternoon. 16 to 20, it is evening. After 20 to 24, it is night. Like that, I want to greet my user. How would you do, sir? And this user only I would like to greet. Please notice how I would greet. I would show with respect to server time. I would like to just get the hour format information. Only the hour format information I will get. And here I would just tell hour data or hour. He gives the information in the string. I would like to convert it up into integer because comparison I have to do it up. I would just tell if hour, whatever you get, if it is less than 12, I would just keep one variable called greet here. I would tell very, very good. I would leave some space. Here, observe how I would start with the code. If hour is less than 12, I will tell whatever is there in greet plus equal to. If it is less than 12, my friends, can I tell it is good morning? It is a 24-hour format time which you get. Keep observing. Elif. If the value of hour, if it is less than 16, I will tell greet plus equal to afternoon. Elif. Hour is less than 20, greet plus equal to evening. Else greet plus equal to night. Yes. Now even this greet information I should send. Further, don't create a new dictionary. Don't do that. Actually, for this dictionary only, you just append it. How, sir? I would just tell my dictionary or create a key called greet only, and that greet message only you keep it up. How is the logic? Easy or very difficult? Please observe, already dictionary is there. For the dictionary, I am keeping up one more variable with that value. That's all. Key value, always keep it in the same way because easy maintenance. And now notice I would go to my output.html file. Let this be there. Keep observing here. I would just tell h1. I will tell style color colon blue. I will tell font type and size 65 pixel. I will tell. Now I want you people only to answer this. I want you people only to answer. I would like to display the server time also. Can I send it here? Can I send it like that? Anybody has any confusion? The server time also I would just like to send it so that it becomes easy there. Done. The server time also I am sending up. I would just come over here. I will tell The server time is, I would just tell server time. Yes. And here what I will do, I would just tell h2, and I would just tell greet. My friends, anybody has any confusion, please let me know what I did. Server time I displayed, depending upon the server time, greeting message also I am displaying it up. That's all. Confusion for anyone? Am I audible to everyone? How many of you got this logic? Please respond to me. Nothing I did, only server time I am printing up this. Additionally, I am printing it up. This logic I need not want to explain because you know what it is. Yeah. Coming back to my code, let us see in the code. In the code, I would just refresh it. I would just tell display, and please observe. Oh, this information I am not printing it up in a right way. Wait. I would just give a different color for that with respect to output. Notice it is just a styling part. That's all. I will tell style color colon green. I will tell font hyphen size 75 pixel. I will say, and I would just come over here, and then I would just go there. Please notice I would just do this. Are you seeing up the changes? The server time. Please notice server time. Greenwich Meridian time 5 means it is morning only. Morning message it is printing. And then these are the other information which is sent from the view. This information. How is Django framework compared to your servlets JSP and all? Compared with your servlets JSP, I will tell you Django framework is very, 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 very easy once you understand the control flow. What you need to do, what changes you need to do, only that much you should know. Remaining background work, my framework only will take care. Is that clear? I would advise you people to quickly copy down this code. Please be very quick. Windows users will never get the time in GMT. You will always get the time in IST itself. So this, since this is my Linux platform, you are getting up the time in GMT. You will never get the time in GMT. You will get it in IST itself. So no need of conversion is required. people would have completed. Everyone done? I hope every one of you would have completed. Yeah, certainly I would like to end the session here. I hope all of you would have copied same programs. I would advise you people to type it up in your laptop. Please check it out. And one second, wait for a minute. I would just like to give you the form, which yeah. Thanks for remembering it. I would just share you that feedback form. Please submit that fill in and please submit it by the end of the day. And tomorrow we shall see with models, how to work with a model and what are the things and how to use the model and how to connect a front end to back end. That if I do, I can easily wind up the Django part. I hope I am completely clear. Thank you all. We shall all meet tomorrow at same time. Maybe at 9 o'clock or 8:30 we shall meet. Thank you. Thank you.